Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn something new. Somebody did ask us, because we recommend that if you have any tutorial you want us to cover, you talk to us. Somebody did ask us how to install something like a VLC on Linux. So now what we're going to do, we're going to try to see. Let me check up on his see if I can get his comments. He wanted us to show him how to install VLC. Let me see if I'm getting it right here. Okay, the previous posts, hello, please help me. This is something else. Hello, my neck, thanks. Roger, thanks for the video. Let me see. Going down here. Guys, we say if you have any tutorial, then please talk to us. We will try our best to do this for you. Guys, important you are going to with electricity. Okay, let me say one client. Okay, also this is a tutorial we have to do, but this okay, I'm looking for that specific comment whereby somebody say how can I install VLC. Okay, freezy. From, let me see, Paul Solomon, thanks. I also observe what when clicked observe sleep never. Okay, leave that. This guy is happy. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can get that quickly so that we start the installation. Yeah, this is the comment. This guy said it's a week ago. We've been busy, so we could not respond quickly. So we're gonna do his tutorial now, because we had to also install that new stuff for us to be able to do that. Okay, Paul Simon, thanks, also observed this. Okay, this guy wants to see if we can install what VLC on his let me see. Okay, for replies. Okay, I don't know. Okay, it's fine. So now we're gonna start by opening our terminal. We see if that's gonna work for us. You do this, you say sudo su, we wanna be sudo, then put in the password. Say enter, and then after that you say I will say apt get install VLC. See, okay, it asks you for that, you say yes and say enter. still installing. Once it's done, you're gonna be able to use your VLC, play videos, play audio, play everything you want to play. Yeah, we're done. We have our VLC now. So now what we're going to do is to take away the terminal, and wow, brought it back. What's going on? Okay, put it here. Then we come back here and we click here and we look for VLC. Good, we have VLC media player now. It's gonna ask us this, then we say continue, and we have everything here. So it will save videos, full screen, set as wall, as wallpaper. Now let me say media. We're gonna open a file here. We go to videos. I wanna play one of the videos here, one of the last tutorials. You can see.
Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna do something incredible, whereby we ask ourselves why my website is very slow.
Okay, you can see.
This really affects you in a lot of ways. Even on Google running, it's difficult for you to run to your computers.
You can see that we have installed VLC. Then what you can do, you can go to each and every tab here. You can do your stuff, doc list, stuff like that, always on top, multiple, whatever. Okay, let me pause this. It might be something disturbing in let me okay. So now you can play with all these settings if you want to. Always on top, you can select that. You can see stay. So also you can come advanced controls, full screen interface, status bar, all those things you can put them here. You can see here if you want to random play, repeat here, click here between loop. Okay, and here you can see whenever a mouse roll over on something, it's gonna show you what you want to see or what you want to show. This could be video, what full screen stuff. It's a very good thing to have VLC on your Linux, because the Linux default play what media player is not that much what I would say. To me, it's not something which we are used to, you get me? So but VLC, ever since we're using different Windows, it's something which has been there for longer in our lives, though. That's why sometimes we like to do things, to use things we know so well, you get me? So you can customize everything here. You can do whatever you want to do. It has a lot of settings here. It has a recorder. You can record there, open file, open multiple files and stuff, or disk, whatever, network streaming. All of these features are here, and you can utilize them as much as you want. I'm happy that we did respond and managed to do the tutorial for the person who asked it for last week, a week ago, but we just did it today. It took us longer. We are very sorry to him. So at least we've done this is the way you can install VLC. But if you can't it gives you a problem. It simply means you have to update your Linux and also upgrade. I forgot something, something small, which is recommended to do whenever you want to install anything in Linux. You don't do the way I did it. What you have to do, you before you run that thing, you have to say apt get, then you say update. Once you say update, once you finish updating your system, then you can do what? You can run that command which we said install. So to install VLC, don't install it before you update. Though I did it and I was successful, but it's not the right way. I forgot to do it because I was just in a hurry to do things quicker. You can see once you're done with this, then you can run this command, the one this one, VLC, then it will install. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. I'm gonna end our tutorial here, and we're gonna see you guys in the next video. Let's see what's going on here. I'm gonna close every tab here. Okay, this was one of the tabs. Okay, I think that's the end of our tutorial.